there, welcome to the channel. Whether you are designing a personal blog or a business website or an e-commerce platform, a single feature that can boost your experience is a sticky footer. Do you want to keep your footer always visible at all times? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a sticky footer in Elementor. This trick is a must-have if you want visible to always have a easy access of your footer. By the end of the video, you'll be able to create a floating footer that not only look great, but it helps to increase the site engagement. And before we start, let me quickly tell you this trick works on any kind of website you are building in Elementor. Alright, let's jump into Elementor and start building step by step. Open the WordPress dashboard, click on the template, add new template. If you already created the footer, click on the footer, edit with Elementor. I already created the footer for you. Now we are going to recreate below this. Click the add new container, then go on add element, insert the another container on it. Now select the main container, set it to full width and give the padding like 50 pixel from the left to right to add this space, and click on the under container, click on style, set the background color. We will copy the color from here. Now we are adding these three containers on it. Click on add element, drag and drop the container, then click duplicate and one more duplicate. Now click on the main container and go on the layout, set it to raw horizontal and wrap element. Now click on first container, set the width to 40, same set the width 40%. Now the third container, the rest is 20%. Click on the main container from the navigation, set the gap is 0%. Now click on this and add one more container for this and set the width is to 100%. Now we are putting the content, like add the element, the heading, copy the text, set the font family whatever you want. Like I'm putting the DN sense, font size is 70 pixel, font weight is 600 or 500, set the color is to white, we are taking to 79 pixel, font size is 79 pixel. Now add the social icons, set it to left, taking the size 18 pixel, 10 pixel is for padding, space is for 10 pixel, row gap is 0, and border radius we are setting to 50%. Now change the icon for Facebook, second one is Twitter, so we are adding the new logo, third one is Dribble, and fourth one is Instagram. Now we are going to set the color for this and the icon hover color, this one. Okay, so we are going to custom, set the first color, rest and put the hover color, so it look like the same. Now we are adding this. So for this we are using the icon list, remove the remaining, change the title to quick link and change the icon is to circle, this one, and set the icon size is 10 pixel and color is white, 9 pixel is size, that is we are using DM sense again for this. DM sense font weight is 500 pixel, no 500, and change the color, that is black to white. Now we are adding one more container, this one, and we have to add button on it, this one. Change the name who we are, make it to style, change the font to DM sense, font size is 14 pixel, weight is 600, and make it to uppercase. We are adding border radius is 50. Now we are adding padding, top left is 30, top 30, we can make it to 20, and change the color of button like this one. For the normal background color is this one and the hover color is this one. Now make it duplicate, select the container, set the item direction is to right and go on advanced, set the padding is to 0 and the column gap is 10 pixel. We are again making it to duplicate, again select the main container, make it to wrap for this more perfect. Now change the text, our process, third one is project, fourth one is services, fifth one is pricing, one is blog, 10th one is ceremonial. Now you can see the difference, these buttons widths are same and our button widths are not same. So for this we are adding some CSS on it, like we are going on this, select the copy, go on the custom CSS, add some CSS like class anchor, width is 165%, 165 pixel. So we are doing this by btn, we are adding new class, we copy on it, select on custom CSS, put the class anchor and width is 165 pixel, close. Now we are adding the same class on every button, so that's it. Now all the button widths are same. Now it's done. Don't worry about the CSS, I will provide the link on the description, you can copy the CSS from there. Now we are adding this one, so we can duplicate or copy element from here to make it paste. Change the text is to contact, and again we are using the icon list. For this we are remove the icon from here, copy the text like this one, make it some styling on it, change the font family DM sans 14 pixel, and this is set to 15, and change the color of text is to white. Perfect. Now we are making it to duplicate, add the phone number 12345678990. Now we are copy the address and make it perfect. Now we can set the 15 pixel the gap. You can see the difference when you hover on it, see the underline or start from left to right. So go on it, click the copy the class name and copy the CSS also. We will use the same class and the CSS. First we are putting the CSS and we are put the class, and now you can see when you hover on it, the underline effect is also available on our icon list. I will provide the CSS on the description, you can copy it from there. Okay, now we are making it. First we are using icon list again, or you can use the text editor also. Like first we are using the text editor and add the text 025 MechCoders. Okay, again we are 14 pixel, font weight is 500 and color is white. Perfect. Now we are copy this icon list and paste it on this container. Select the container, make the row and row to horizontal, select on icon list and make it layout of inline. Now we are changing the text like terms and conditions. Second one is privacy policy. Third one is sitemap. Now we are select the container, justify content space between, and set the icon list gap is to 20 pixel or 25, whatever you want as per your requirement. Now you can see the same layout, and again select on container, click on style, go on the border, click on border type, solid the 1 pixel, and now we are adding some padding on it like 50 pixel. That's perfect. Now click on the main container and set some padding. This container color one, set the padding like 100 pixel, or set it to 80 pixel. Set the bottom padding is 10. Open the navigation, select this container is to 20 pixel is perfect, and add some margin like 50 pixel or 80 pixel is good. Okay, now click on this container color one, you can check the navigation also, and set some left or right padding like 50 pixel or 50 pixel. Okay, and one more thing, select the container, click on the style, go on the border and set the border radius is like 50 pixel or right 50 pixel for these corners. Now our footer is complete. Only one thing are left. Click on the main container, go on the advanced, click on the motion effect, go on the sticky, click on the bottom. First we will delete this one or old, delete. Okay, so now we are going again on this. Yeah, you can check sticky on desktop, tablet portrait or mobile portrait. These are options available from this responsive option. If your layout have more responsive options on, you can see their name on this list also. Okay, now we are going on layout and set the Z index value is 1 or 0. Remember one thing, on the website pages you have to set the Z index value more than that, like we are setting to 0. So for the pages, all the section you have to set the Z index value is greater than 0, like 1, 2 or whatever you want. Otherwise this section will override or overlap on that sections. Now we are publish, check on the website, first refresh it and go on the below, and now you can see the sticky footer. Those were like, if you want to set it to bottom, like go on the footer, give the some padding on the container like 50 pixel or 80 pixel, same do on the third 30 pixel. So this will set it to bottom. Now refresh it, now you can see it will set on bottom, and our effect is also working on that. And that's it. Now you have a sticky footer that will stay visible across all your pages. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MechCoders for more tips on Elementor and web designing. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. Thank you for watching.